In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel list into your CRM. This process is simple and should only take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate over to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen, so go ahead and give that a click. Now you'll see spaces where you can enter your email and password. Carefully type in your credentials. Take an extra moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, as this will prevent any login issues. After you've done that, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. Once you're logged into Pipedrive, you need to find the More option. This is usually located within the main menu. Navigate there and click on it. You'll then see a variety of options. Look for and select Import Data. This is a critical step as it leads you directly to the section where you can upload your Excel files. Next, within the import section, you'll want to click on Upload Spreadsheet. Here you have the option to upload files in .xlsx or .csv format. Make sure your Excel list is saved in one of these formats, since Pipedrive needs it in this form to process the import. After uploading your spreadsheet, you'll be directed to a page where you can fix fields. This step is essential because it's where you match the columns in your spreadsheet to the fields within your CRM. Take some time to make sure everything aligns properly. This will ensure that when you import your data, it's accurate and organized. Once you've fixed the fields, click on the Next button to proceed. You're almost done. Now it's time to merge the data. Click on Merge Data to integrate your newly uploaded information with existing records. This step is useful for maintaining a clean database without duplicate entries. Finally, you'll want to start the import. You can do this by clicking on the Start Import button. During this final stage, Pipedrive will execute the import and sync all the information from your spreadsheet into the CRM. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your Excel list into your CRM. By following these steps, you've streamlined your process,